Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Oh my gosh, I actually just rolled out of bed like 10 minutes ago. Like I am feeling like I'm still having weird morning voice, so I look a little tired. I feel a little tired and I'm really trying to wake up right now. So let's just like cheers, good morning. This is the actual situation when I wake up. Today we are playing with something called tanning water. I'm kind of creeped out to try this because I think that maybe this is gonna make me look a little Oompa Loompa-y, and I've never used a self-tanner that you don't just completely like rub in, that you would mist on your face, and I think this is gonna create dots on my face, but I really wanna try it. It's from Tropez, which is a great line for tanners. Like I have one of their in-shower tanners, those work great, which sounds really crazy too. The only problem with that is you kind of freeze a little bit in the shower because you have to wait a few minutes without water running on you, but that one actually works beautifully, and I have been so curious about this. I've had it for a while, I have never tried it, and I'm finally sitting down going, okay, we're doing this. What if this is like the best thing ever and all you have to do is like mist your face and then you're tan? I personally am one of those people that I feel like I do look better with a little bit of color. Like I have a lot of green undertones in my skin. So when I do get down to like my natural like pale situation, I feel like I look a little yellow green, and it can look a little crazy, especially when I first wake up and I'm not wearing makeup and whatnot. So something like this maybe can add just a little kiss of color. It's something you could use really quickly and easily, consistently, and let's just keep our fingers crossed. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this right now. This right here is called Self-Tan Purity. You get 2.5 ounces. It says it's a bronzing water face mist. It's gonna give you glowing skin and it suits all skin tones. Okay. What? Okay, it says, okay, it's for dullness, dryness, uneven skin tone. I'll take it. I love all of that. It's great for normal, oily, combo, dry, sensitive, all skin types. It's a lightweight mist infused with 100% natural tanning agents. So this is going to be an ultra lightweight transparent mist that is infused with 100% natural tanning agents, as well as hibiscus extract, ooh, lovely, antioxidant properties, and an uplifting fresh green mandarin water for a no telltale self-tan smell. Oh my gosh, say that 5 times fast. No telltale tan smell. No telltale tan smell. I have no telltale tan smell. Why would they put that in there? That is like awful. What? Wait, this says that you can spray it on top of your makeup. Stop that. I didn't know that. Otherwise, I would not have sat down this early in the morning with no makeup on if I had only known that and read the directions. Notice to you all, in life, whether it is a tanning mist water or some new piece of electronics, read the directions, or at least like skim them. I don't do that all the time. Okay, so this says spritz under or over makeup. There's no need to rinse off. The formula develops in 4 to 8 hours into a natural streak-free golden tan. Other things you must know, this is vegan, cruelty-free, and non-comedogenic. All right, so I'm gonna start out like this. I'm gonna do my makeup, and you guessed it, I'll be back to spritz on more. Ooh, I'm excited. You can spritz it over makeup? Stop. I hope this works. This could be so great if it does work. I'm just gonna be so hooked. $30, you guys. This is a lot of money for, I usually like mist over here to get the mister going just right, but I don't wanna get like self-tanner on things. Oh, that's a really lovely, like nice mist. Okay, here we go, we're doing it. I wonder if this will like change my clothes, like if it gets on it. Maybe I should be naked doing this, actually. All right, round 1 done. I'm gonna do my makeup. I will be right back. So I'm a much different woman right now. I have my hair recurled, I have my makeup on, and now we're gonna go back in with the tanning water and spritz it on top of the makeup, which makes me nervous, but we're just gonna do it. It does say online that you can do that. I will point out that as much as it says that it has this fragrance that is no self-tan smell or something, remember, like something crazy like that, they say that they mask the scent which when you spritz it on, it does smell really, really good, but I can already smell that self-tan scent on my face, which means it is already developing, which means it is working. But let's go in with a second serving and just see if it ruins my makeup or if it does anything strange. And then we'll just continue on the self-tan spray journey. All right, you guys, it is now day 2. I woke up and you guys, my face is pretty tan. And I have to say, yesterday, I did not like it. By the end of the day, I looked like such a mess. I actually had a girlfriend come over and she was like, "Are you testing a product today?" And I'm like, yeah, why? And she's like, "Is it foundation?" And she was like being super polite and kind of like tiptoeing into like, "Hey, your foundation looks horrible. What's going on?" So what happened was I feel that spraying this on top of my makeup made it really shiny. Like it had this weird shiny look to it and it did start breaking apart. And I was wearing my Fiona Styles, which I wore on my wedding day. It's one of my all-time like favorite foundations. It never does that. So I do feel like using this is the reason why my foundation ended up looking like a total mess and disaster. Anyway, I washed the makeup off and I looked in the mirror with nothing on my face. And the first thing that I did notice is that my forehead got the majority of the color. So the next time that I use this, I A, will not use it on top of makeup, and B, I will make sure that I am getting more of an even mist. I didn't think that it was uneven, but the way that this developed, obviously it was uneven. And the only weird thing about this is like you're spraying it, you're not really rubbing it in, you're just hoping that you sprayed it in the right spots and that it's gonna turn out okay. Because on my neck, you can see a little bit is blotchy. So it sounds like I'm talking a lot of crap about this product, but really there are a lot of benefits to it and I will continue using it because it develops into a really gorgeous tan. It's very natural looking. This is quick and easy to use. It's not messy. You can just do this very, very fast and kind of get on with it. The drawbacks are it smells weird. I do not like the scent of it. This is one of those self-tanners that I felt like all day I could smell my face, which is disgusting. Like that does not sound cute at all. But I kept being like, is there something like vinegary in here? Because I keep smelling something vinegar. And then I realized like, oh my gosh, it's actually like the self-tanner developing, which is so gross. If you can get past the whole self-tanner scent, which they all smell. Like there is not one out there that has zero scent. I have never discovered that. So you do have to pay the price in that department. Doesn't bother some people, it bothers me. The other negative is you definitely want to make sure that you are spraying evenly, otherwise it can be blotchy. And the other thing I would say is do not put this on top of makeup. Even though online it says that you can, it's gonna destroy your makeup. Just use this like at night before you go to bed, spritz, 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 and wake up and you'll have a really gorgeous tan. So there we have it. It works if you use it the right way. I actually put it on my arms too. If you can see, this arm is much more tan than this one. I will do an actual insert so you can see properly. I did not spray the under portion, so I'm gonna be exfoliating for a good long time in the shower tonight to even this mess out, but it works. I'm happy I tried it. I think this is fantastic. Who knew that you could spray on a clear liquid and it would just make you look like you got back from a nice vacation and just kind of amped up the bronziness in your skin. All right, there we have it. Let me know if you guys think this is cool, if you're gonna be trying it out. Leave me comments below. I love you so much. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do before you leave. I am here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at 10 a.m. PST. So subscribe, ring the bell, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video and me being my own science experiment in the name of investigating beauty. All right, have a good one, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.